come on third here, man. This thing was getting in the corner better than any car I could see out here, but it just like it didn't have as much drive off as some other ones maybe.
Yeah. We could get in the corner better than anybody out here. We set it on the pole tonight, and you know, we're running a small crate motor against the built motors. We tried it, and out front it would have been gone. But in traffic, the built motors just pulled me up out the center. But you know, overall, it's an excellent day for us to show up and just bring this car. We decided to race Saturday at about 11:30 at night. We decided to come down here. So, got to thank HC Sellers, all the Sellers guys coming down here with me, Extreme Towing, DCT, all my family for standing behind me, and Langley for inviting us down here.
All right, John Casher finished second, man. Had a good car like Looney once he got in front. You tried all you could. You had your hands full of Cocker behind you, though.
Yeah, I kept hearing half a car in the corners and a car and a half down the straightaway, and that's all I could do is just keep planting every line perfect. And I've known Mr. Looney for a long time at other racetracks, and if I could have caught him, I won't go do nothing stupid, just have to drive by him hard and just trying to keep the other guy behind me. But I was just hoping it was going to be a good, calm, cool race, and if you race respect, you get respect. So anyway, we had a good time, man. Claw Ray Truck and Rick Taylor Racing Engines. I'll tell you what, if you need a motor, get that power plant right yonder. And thanks for the rest of the race team, man. I couldn't do it without them guys.
All right, Mike Looney, Memorial Day, big winner, 100-lapper, man. Started out, got the checkered flag. And we talked before the race. You said you'd be good if nothing broke. Rear end broke.
Yeah.
You taking a checkered flag, man. Glad to get this behind you, though, ain't you?
Lady Luck's slipping, man. She missed it by one lap tonight. I think we fell out of two while leading, and the other one we were second. And, that's hard on you, hard to give them away like that. But that's big time stock car racing. And, you know, we ain't got big salary men working on this car all the time. Just one old retired man, Billy Martin. He was kind enough to let me drive his car, and we come over having a lot of fun. And he got me a pretty fast hot rod right here. Was really pleased. We tried to 100 laps a long time down here, and we tried to play possum with him a little while, save it. And it's hard to save it, hard, you know, to watch him run away from you. But it worked out good. We had the best tires at the end, and man, it feels good to get this win for all the team and everybody. Just really blessed. When you have so much bad luck, when you finally do get some good luck, you can really take it home and appreciate it. You know, we'll savor this all week. We'll be cheesing all the way home. So.
Yeah, and I could tell that first of the race, I said something wrong with this car, and then you pushed the button. You seen the leaders coming. You passed a few cars. I could tell you looked like you were sitting on it for a while.
Yeah. Plan was we started the air really low, and I wanted to find a comfortable place to ride where I could just stay at gas and lift early. And I knew the one car and the 00, I knew they were going to be fast. We probably put some pressure on Kyle to run his stuff hard. So I thought I'll just save mine to the end. And we got the lucky break. We got some caution when we needed it. We got some good luck. Kyle, his motor let go. Really looking forward to racing him for the win. But yeah, we'll take it. Take it any way you can get it, man. I might have been happy to finish third tonight, but we got the chrome tonight, so we'll party at Kentucky.